People are being indoctrinated rather than being informed and educated about evolution. It would be beneficial to discuss the assumptions, the strengths, and weaknesses of evolution as a theory. There are significant problems with evolutionary theory in areas such as the origin of life, origin of genetic code, origin of multicellular life, origin of major phyla at the Cambrian explosion, systematic gaps in the fossil record even in situations where millions of specimens are available for examination, development of irreducibly complex molecular machines, and development of complex organs. If we are to develop critical thinking skills in students, it would be worthwhile to expose them to scientific critiques of evolution. In teaching evolution, it is common practice to conflate small-scale, intermediate-scale, and large-scale evolution, that is, micro, macro, and hyperevolution. Because of this, students are typically presented evidence for microevolution and then led to assume that this proves macroevolution and hyperevolution. This methodology hides the fact that the extrapolation from microevolution to hyperevolution is based on metaphysical naturalism, that is, atheist faith, rather than being empirically proved. In his book, Icons of Evolution, biologist Jonathan Wells shows that biology textbooks systematically misrepresent evidence for evolution, possibly to make a weak case look stronger. For instance, the 1953 Miller-Urey experiment is claimed to show how life's building blocks could form on early Earth, whereas it is now known that the experiment does not work when the correct atmosphere is used. Many textbooks use drawings of similarities in vertebrate embryos as evidence for common ancestry, whereas it is now known that the drawings were faked by the scientist Haeckel. Many textbooks use staged pictures of peppered moths glued onto tree trunks as evidence of natural selection, when it is now known that the moths don't normally rest on tree trunks. And textbooks don't discuss the fact that fossil evidence of the Cambrian explosion contradicts what you would expect from Darwinian evolution.